In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create playlists on Spotify desktop. To get started, open the Spotify app on your computer. If Spotify is not already running, launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once the app opens, make sure you're signed into your account. If you're asked to log in, just enter your account details and continue. Being logged in is important because your playlists are saved to your library and synced with your account. After you're inside Spotify, move your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation options, including your library and playlist tools. Look for the button that says Create Playlist, or in some versions of the app, you may see a plus sign followed by Create Playlist. Click that option once. As soon as you do that, Spotify will instantly create a brand new playlist for you. You should now see it appear in the left sidebar under your library. At first, it will usually have a default name, something like My Playlist, followed by a number. Don't worry, that's just a temporary name until you customize it. Next, click directly on the playlist name to edit it. Once the text becomes selectable, type in the new name you want to use for your playlist. Try choosing a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple playlists for different moods, genres, or activities. When you're happy with the name, press Enter on your keyboard to save it. Now that your playlist has been created and named, the next step is to add songs to it. This is the part where your playlist starts to come to life. You can begin searching for the music you want and then add tracks into the playlist you just made. As you build it, keep in mind that playlists are great for organizing your favorite songs in one place, whether it's for workouts, relaxing, studying, or everyday listening. And that's all there is to it. You open Spotify on your computer, create a new playlist from the left sidebar, rename it, and then start adding songs. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Spotify playlist set up smoothly.